We are so thrilled to have children here from, what is your school?
Mayewood Middle School.
Middle School, right here in Sumter. And these kids are in the Junior Master Gardener program, and I'm going to ask each one to introduce him or herself and tell us a little bit about yourself while you do that. So we're going to start with you, Javelle.
Hello, my name is Javelle Jones. My favorite color is green, and my favorite hobby is to play football.
And is your favorite color green because that's the color that plants are?
Remember, I just like eating.
Okay.
It's unique.
All right. Miss Reagan.
Hi, my name is Reagan Shannon. My favorite color is pink, and I love spending time with my family.
Well, I would not know that your favorite color is pink because today you certainly have the aqua.
Yes, aqua.
Yeah, color coordinated, just like Teresa. And I'm Julian.
Hi, my name is Julian Nicholson, and I love to hang out with my family, and my favorite color is green.
And tell me what y'all used to have a lot of animals, and you've still got one little animal now that's a pet but unusual, I believe.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is that?
That's a Juliana pig.
Oh, my goodness gracious. And I understand that it's housebroken, fortunately.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay. And EJ.
Hi, my name is EJ Presley. My favorite color is orange, and my favorite hobby is playing basketball.
Playing basketball. And that's nice because you're good and tall, aren't you?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm afraid that was a hobby that was not really very good for me. EJ, Terri Septa is our 4-H agent, and she's been coming and doing some work with y'all at your school, hasn't she?
Yes.
And she was talking a little about food safety and how we package food to keep it safe. What did she have y'all do?
She had us pack saltine crackers, and our purpose was not to let them get wet, so we had to package them in a way they wouldn't get wet and keep them dry.
Okay. And now, what if they broke? Were you supposed to try to protect them from breakage as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And I think you said you worked real hard on yours. Tell us what it was that you did.
I had my plate.
Plate?
On top of my plate, I had a sponge.
Okay.
And on top of there, I had all 3 of my crackers. And on top of my crackers, I had a bowl, and then I secured the bowl with tape. But it didn't work out that well as I thought it was going to.
Well, who was trying to destroy these crackers?
Miss Sumter.
Miss Sumter.
Yes.
Miss Sumter was the cracker destroyer, and we
Yes,
thought
ma'am.
she was so nice, and so she really did destroy those crackers.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, what did she do to try to destroy them?
She dipped them
Dipped
in
it
water.
in water over and over and
No.
over again.
She drowned them.
It wasn't good.
And then she's got some good-looking boots she wears sometimes. Did she stomp on them with her shoes and things like that too?
No. I don't know.
She tried everything else, eh? Okay. Oh, well, goodness. Well, apparently, y'all have got to grow up and go to Clips, and we've got some food packaging and safety courses up there, and maybe we can help you come out with a better outcome. But the other thing y'all wanted to do was to learn about gardening. And so, so y'all planted some seeds, and which ones did you plant?
We planted lettuce and radish.
Okay. And it looks like the lettuce came up pretty good for you.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And did you enjoy doing that in your classroom?
Yes, ma'am.
And did y'all eat any of it?
No, ma'am.
You hadn't eaten any of it yet?
Not yet.
Okay, well, it's time to start thinking about that. And the other thing that y'all wanted to do was you had to learn about plants, and so y'all wanted to do some creative art projects as you did that. And so tell us what this hat has to do with growing plants.
Yes, this hat, it shows everything that a plant needs to survive in life.
Okay,
So-
and I'm going to wait a second. While she's starting on hers, telling us about what's on hers, I want y'all to start decorating yours, okay? And first of all, stick that on your head and tell us how you made that hat.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you got some newspaper. And then what did y'all do to try to put it together?
We put it on his head,
Uh-huh.
circled it around, and taped it down.
Oh, okay. So you needed some good, strong tape. Okay.
Yes.
Well, will y'all start decorating that for us, and we'll come back in just a minute and talk to y'all about it. And y'all have got one that you've already decorated, and goodness gracious, I must say, it's hard for me to understand what that has to do with growing plants. So give me an explanation of some of it, Bill.
Of course, this is the sunlight,
Oh, of course, the sun. And why is the sun so important for plants?
so it can get the energy it needs.
Yeah, and what do we call that process that they use?
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. Okay, I've got some little green things on there. What's that all about?
That's the grass.
The grass, aha. And tell me what some of the other things that you've decorated with represent.
This is supposed to be a soil, but it doesn't look like it. But it's soil.
Supposed to be what?
It's the soil.
That's the soil. That's pretty funky looking soil, I must say. Why did you pick that for soil?
Yeah, it's the closest thing that
Yeah.
looks to it.
Okay. And
round.
and tell me what does the plant get from the soil?
Nutrients.
Okay. And then does that also help anchor the plant so that it can stay in place? Okay. And So then we've got some blue.
That's the water.
The water, aha, okay. And then, so you've also got a little bit of red up
Yeah,
here.
these
That's
are the
the
little nutrients.
Carbon dioxide.
Oh, carbon dioxide.
We have a
Okay,
bunch of
so plants use carbon dioxide.
Yeah.
Isn't that wonderful? And what do they give off that we use?
Glucose.
Oxygen. Yeah. Well, and they make all the food for Earth, don't they? Yeah. Okay. Well, that's fun. Okay. Well, you want to try it on for us and model it for us? Well, I think that is just absolutely fabulous. We're mighty proud of your hat. And a head full of sunshine, just the thing you need for a shady day, for a gloomy day. You can be bright and sunny, can't you? Okay, so y'all are starting over here, and my goodness, yours looks like it has antennas. Are those supposed to be bugs that come and eat the plants, or what are they?
No, ma'am, they're grass.
That's the grass, okay. Well, I think you need to get the lawnmower out at your house. What do you think?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then what's this nice yellow star for?
That's for the sun.
That's the sun. And you know, isn't that just the coolest thing? Because the sun really is a star. Y'all are too cool for school. Well, tell me what some of the other things you'd like to put on it are and what they represent.
We're about to put some soil around here.
What are you going to use for soil?
Probably this.
Okay, so you agreed that the pipe cleaners, the glittery ones, made good soil. That's true. Okay.
They're the closest to.
And how about some of the other things?
We're about to put grow on the front right here.
Uh-huh. Oh, you're going to label it?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
righty. Okay. EJ, do you think that you said your grandmother enjoys the garden. Do you think you might get over there and spend some time with her doing that this summer?
Yes, probably.
And what is it she likes that she grows that you enjoy?
Tomato.
Tomatoes, aha. And what do you think y'all might grow at your house?
Tomatoes as well and carrots.
And carrots, okay. But not for the pig.
Oh, no.
Okay. And how about you? Do you think you have a place where you're going to put some things?
At my grandma's house. I love her watermelon that she grew.
Your grandmother grows watermelons? And do y'all have seed spitting contests? Whoa. Well, you've got something fun in your life to have. How about you? Have you ever had a watermelon seed spitting contest?
No, no.
Okay. Well, what do you think you might grow some things at your house this summer?
Yes, my mom's working on like this flower bed in front of her house.
Is she?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And I love flowers. I think that all mothers love flowers. And if she's got somebody nice to help her, she'll be a mighty lucky mama, won't she?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Well, I hope that y'all will continue in the Junior Master Gardener program at your new school. I understand y'all are moving. We wish y'all all the luck. And we thank you so much for coming and joining us tonight.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Well, let's give them a good wave.